Good evening, everyone. Good evening. Yes, come on, come fast. So let's sing the welcome song together. Start. We welcome you to school today. School today. School today. We welcome you to school today. Please come and play. We are glad to have you here today. Here today. Here today. We are glad to have you here today. Yes, it's a special day. Welcome, everyone. Welcome to this new and beautiful day. Okay, now let's sing the God's love song together. Start. Start, everyone. God's love. It's so wonderful. God's love. It's so wonderful. God's love. It's so wonderful. So wonderful love. So wonderful love. So high, we can't get over it. So high, we can't get over it. So deep, we can't get under it. So deep, we can't get under it. So wide, we can't get around it. So wide, we can't get around it. So wonderful love. So wonderful love. Okay. Chalo, now kids, let's talk about the date and the day. Lokendra, if you want to sit in the class, no, kindly switch on the camera. This is the last time I'm telling you, otherwise I'm going to remove you from the class. Okay? Only 2 minutes I'm giving you. If you want to sit in the class, kindly switch on the camera. Lokendra and Mitansh. No, Mitansh so open. Namasvi, Padmanabh, everyone switch on the camera if you want to sit in the class. Chalo kids, now let's talk about the day and the date. So today, the day is Monday. What is the day today? Monday. Yesterday was Sunday, kal Sunday tha. तो आज कौन सा day हुआ? Today is Monday. And the date is 16 अगस्त 2021. आज अगस्त की कौन सी डेट है? 16. Today is 16 August 2021. Okay. So kids, now tell me how many days are there in a week? एक वीक में कितने डेज होते हैं? Yes, very good. There are 7 days in a week. एक वीक में 7 days होते हैं. So come on, say with ma'am. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. Sunday is the holiday. Yes. Chalo, now you tell me how many months are there in a year? किसी को पता है? एक ईयर में कितने मंथ्स होते हैं? How many months? There are 12 months. Yes. So we can't count on our fingers, as we have less fingers and the months are more. So there are 12 months in a year. एक साल में 12 months होते हैं. So say the name of the months together. Start. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, and December. Chalo, now kids, stand up for warm-up exercises. Come on. Yes, everyone means everyone have to stand. Padmana, what are you waiting for? Stand up. Chalo. Now what we have to do? Stretch your arms and clap. Clap, 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 clap. Very good. Now wiggle your fingers. Wiggle, 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 wiggle. Slowly, slowly. And then fast. Padmanabh. Now. Now kids, keep both the hands on your waist. आपके दोनों हाथ आपकी कमर पे रखो. And jump. Start jumping. Jump, 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 jump. Very good. Now show your thumbs up and keep it on your shoulders. Now what we have to do? We have to move our hands forward. Namasri, do not jump. You have to move your hands forward. Now backward. अब पीछे की तरफ करेंगे. Backward, backward, backward. Very good. Now everyone, raise your hands and bend yourself. Try to touch your feet. Come on. Raise your hands and bend yourself. Try to touch your feet. Come on. Again. And do not think मैम को पता नहीं आप क्या कर रहे हो. I am looking at each and everyone. And I am giving you marks on that. Okay, Pihu. So raise your hands higher and bend yourself. Try to touch your feet. Very good. Now what we have to do? Now we have to run. Come on, run, run, run. Stop. Start. Run, run, run. Fast, 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 fast. Very good. Very nice. Run, 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 run. Run at your place only. Come on. Teerth. Chalo, 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 jaldi. Come on, run. Very good. Prableen. Why you are not doing, Prableen? Okay, now sit down, everyone. So I'm looking at each and everyone and I'm giving you marks on that. For star of the kids. Okay? Star kids of the month. I'm giving marks on each and everyone and I know whoever, whatever you are doing and what you are not doing. Okay? Chalo. Now kids, let's start the class. So we start the class with our English work. So kids, come on, get your phonic skill book. Your phonic skill book. Get your phonic skill book and open page number 1515. So I'm writing the page number and the book name in the chat box. Your phonic skill book. Page number 1515. So I had written the page number and the book name in the chat box. Parth, you want to sit in the class or I'll remove you from the class? This is the last time I'm telling. If you have any genuine reason for switching off your camera, then you tell me. Otherwise, I'm going to remove you. So, kids, in this, देखो, 3-letter words are given, है ना? And some pictures are given. So, we have to read the words and then match it with its correct picture. हमें words को read करना है and then उसे match करना है. So, we are going to read it together. Okay? चलो. Come on, read the first word. Read the first word. What is this? Acha. How you are going to read it? With phonic sound as we used to read every time. हम हमेशा जैसे words को read करते हैं in the same way you have to read. Come on, we are going to read it together, everyone. Keep your pointer over there, below the first word. Keep your pointer over there, below the first word. Okay, Path, I think you don't want to attend the class, so I'm removing you from the class. If you want to sit in the class, no, then next time you switch on your camera. Okay, so the first word is H-E-N. So how we are going to read it? H says ha. H का sound होता है ha. E says e. And N says na. So ha, e, n. Hen. Ha, e, n. Hen. है ना? We used to read in this way every time. So read using phonic sounds. Ha, e, n. Hen. So where's the picture of hen? Here it is. So you have to match the word with its correct picture. आपको word को उसकी correct picture से match करना है. Look, you have to match the word hen with its correct picture. Okay, Ayush. All right. ठीक है? चलो, the next word now. But ma'am, you make sure कि he read all the words along with me. ठीक है? The next one is read. Come on, look in your book. Look in your book. Keep your finger over there. आपकी finger रखो. चलो. J E T. So J says ja, E says e, and T says ta. Ja, e, t. Ja, e, t. Jet. Ja, e, t. Jet. So where is the picture of jet? Here it is. So you have to match the word jet with its correct picture. Okay. So P E G.
So P
Says pa.
G.
P says pa. E says e. And G says g. So pa, e, g. Peg. Pa, e, g. Peg. Okay. So what is peg? जो कपड़ों पे लगाने के क्लिप्स आते हैं ना ताकि कपड़े उड़ ना जाए उनको पैग कहते हैं. They are known as peg. Look, here it is. So we have to match the word peg with its correct spelling. P-E-G, peg. P-E-G, peg. ठीक है? So in this way you have to read the word and match it with the correct picture. Now next one. Next one is very simple. Come on everyone, read. L E G. So L says la, E says e, and G says g. So la, e, g, leg. Read. La, e, g, leg. So where's the picture of leg? Here it is. So we have to match the picture of leg with its correct word. Okay. Again, I'm repeating, parents, kindly make sure they read all the words. This time is very important for them. because they started reading just now from past some weeks, है ना? So it's very important for them to read each and everything. So kindly make sure that they all are reading. Chalo, now the next one. Next is NET. So N says na, E says e, and T says ta. No at net. No at net. So where's the picture of net? Here it is. So we have to match the word net with the correct picture. Okay. Now the next one is VET. So V says wa, E says e, and T says ta. V says wa, E says e, and T says ta. Wo at wet. Wo at wet. Vet, I told you, vet is a doctor of animals. जैसे हमारे डॉक्टर्स होते हैं, इन द सेम वे एनिमल्स के अलग डॉक्टर्स होते हैं जो सिर्फ एनिमल्स का ट्रीटमेंट करते हैं. सो दे आर नोन एज वेट. यस पद्मनाभ, match the picture of the vet with the correct word. Done? Now, next one. Come on, read. WEB. So W says wo, E says e, and B says b. Wo e b web. Wo e b web. वेब मतलब होता है स्पाइडर का जो वेब होता है, मकड़ी का जाला. दैट इज नोन एज वेब. मकड़ी का जाल जिसे हम कहते हैं जाला मकड़ी का, दैट इज नोन एज वेब, स्पाइडर वेब. So we have to match the word web with its correct picture. So everyone, I used to tell you every time the difference between A and E. दोनों का साउंड A होता है, but the difference is कि A का साउंड बोलते वक्त हमारा पूरा मुंह खुलता है, ए, एंड E का साउंड बोलते वक्त हमारा मुंह नहीं खुलेगा, ए. Like this we have to say a and e. जैसे pan and pen. So this is the difference between the two sound. And the last one is, yes, Teeth, just a minute. The last one is WET. So W says wo, E says e, and T says ta. Wo at wet. Wet मतलब यहाँ पर होता है गीला, गीला होना, wet. So look here, the boy is wet here, so we have to match the picture with the word wet. All right, chalo. Now it's time to check the books. Okay, so kids, we are going to sing Hindi rhyme, a new Hindi rhyme today. The title of the rhyme is Fool. The rhyme is in your rhyme book on page number 1818. ये आपकी rhyme book में है, page number 1818. ठीक है? So fool, देखो ma'am is having so many flowers. Fool. Look, है ना? So come on, let's start. स्टार्ट करें? स्टार्ट। फूल फूल तुम कितने अच्छे, तुम्हें प्यार करते बच्चे। कम ऑन से। रंग तुम्हें दे जाता कौन, इत्र छिड़क महकाता कौन। बतलाओ तो उसका नाम, करे सदा जो अच्छे काम। यस, आपने अच्छा कभी मुझे बताओ, यू लेट मी नो, आपने कभी फूल को सूंघा है? हैव यू एवर स्मेल द फ्लावर? उसमें से खुशबू आती है ना, फ्लावर्स में से खुशबू आती है ना। यस, तो उसमें ऐसा लगता है कि कोई परफ्यूम छिड़क गया हो, उसमें से बहुत ही प्यारी स्मेल आती है। सो दैट ऑल थिंग्स आर रिटन इन द राइम। चलो लेट्स स्टार्ट सिंगिंग द राइम अगेन। स्टार्ट। फूल फूल तुम कितने अच्छे, तुम्हें प्यार करते बच्चे। रंग तुम्हें दे जाता कौन, इत्र छिड़क महकाता कौन। बतलाओ तो उसका नाम, करे सदा जो अच्छे काम। ओके, चलो कम ऑन, नाउ आई वांट, जो नहीं कर रहा है उसे भी करना है अब। स्टार्ट एवरीवन, कम ऑन, स्टार्ट। फूल फूल तुम कितने अच्छे, तुम्हें प्यार करते बच्चे। रंग तुम्हें दे जाता कौन, इत्र छिड़क महकाता कौन। बतलाओ तो उसका नाम, करे सदा जो अच्छे काम। ओके, चलो किड्स, ओके, वेरी गुड। नाउ किड्स, take a screen break, go wash your eyes, wash your face, and have some water. Okay, after the break, I am going to ask you the rhyme. Which rhyme? Are you here? I feel thunder. I hear thunder wali rhyme. I am going to ask you. Okay, so take a break, have some water, wash your eyes, wash your face. If you want to go to washroom, then go. We'll meet after 10 minutes.